Are you searching for the ultimate AI video generator in 2025? Today, we're exploring a cutting-edge AI tool that transforms text or images into stunning, cinematic full HD videos with realistic animations and immersive sound effects, all in a matter of seconds. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just venturing into the world of AI, Vidu Q1 delivers incredible quality and seamless creativity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your ideas into smooth, professional videos using Vidu's newest model. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Vidu AI. You'll also find the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, click on Try Vidu, and then click on Sign In to create your account. Choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account, and you'll be signed in. After that, you'll see a clean and professional dashboard in front of you. Here, you have four main options: reference to video, image to video, text to video, and AI sound effects. Below, in Vidu's Lab section, there are many templates available. If you don't have a specific idea in mind, you can use one of these templates. Let's first try the text to video feature. First, you need to select a model from the top. The available models are Vidu 1.0, Vidu 1.5, and Vidu Q1. As I've already mentioned, today we'll only focus on Vidu Q1. This is Vidu's latest model, and it competes directly with all the top AI video generators. In the prompt box, type whatever you want to create. If you don't have a prompt, you can get one using Gemini or ChatGPT. Below the prompt box, there's also a prompt guide by Vidu, which can be really helpful if you don't know how to write a good prompt. There's a simple formula. Just remember 4 things. Clearly describe the subject or scene, give some details like clothing or positioning, describe the environment or background, and choose a style. That's it. Vidu will take care of the rest and generate a stunning video for you. Now select a style from either general or animation. I'll stick with general for now. Since the Vidu Q1 model was recently launched, it currently does not offer the option to change duration or resolution. However, if you use an older version of Vidu, these options are available. Next, choose the movement amplitude. I'll leave it on auto. You can also choose the aspect ratio. You can generate up to 4 videos at once by selecting the amount. After setting everything up, click on Create. Generating one video costs 30 credits. In just a short time, a fantastic video will be ready for you. I can confidently say that you've probably never used a tool before that produces such amazing video quality. This video looks like an actual scene from a Bollywood movie. But a video without sound doesn't feel complete. So now let's generate sound for it using AI sound effects. There's also a user guide available here, along with some sample sounds to help you get an idea. Let's go ahead and generate sound for our video. Set the duration, enter your prompt, and click the Create button. In a few seconds, your sound will be generated. And here is the final result. This means that if you give a proper prompt, you can generate sound for any kind of video. It's a powerful addition to the world of AI content creation. Here are some more videos generated using the text-to-video tool with different prompts. Now let's move on to the next tool, image to video. In this feature, you can upload 2 images, a first frame and a last frame. The tool blends both images to create a smooth transformation video. First, we'll try it with just 1 image, then we'll try it with 2. I've given a prompt here, a green train moving forward at a suburban Japanese railway crossing during sunset. You can also view some sample videos made using this tool. Let's try creating a video using the first and last frame, using image to video. Enter your prompt, click Create, and here's what we get. You can see how it has beautifully transformed a baby bird into an eagle without any distortion. Moving on to the next tool, reference to video. This feature is currently available in Vidu 2.0, but the Q1 model for reference to video will officially launch on July 8th. Thanks to Vidu AI, I've been given early access to make this video. This tool combines different images into one realistic video in full 1080p quality. Now I'll upload a few images. First, an office background, then a computer, and finally, a photo of a girl. I've given the following prompt. A girl sitting at an office desk, working on a computer in a modern office background, with soft lighting and a professional atmosphere. If this seems a bit difficult, don't worry. There's a proper user guide available for this too. If you want to change any settings, feel free to do that before clicking Create. And here's the result. Take a look at some more videos I've created using this tool. There are also many fun templates available. You can simply upload your photo or your friend's photos and create entertaining videos. Let's try one of these templates now. Upload a photo, select the aspect ratio, and click Create. Here are some videos I've created using these templates. Finally, let's talk about pricing plans. In the free plan, you only get 4 credits. However, the standard plan costs just $8 per month, which is quite reasonable considering the top-notch quality. You get 800 credits per month and all features are unlocked. The exclusive discount link is in the description. Make sure to try this amazing tool at least once because it can truly take your content creation to the next level. With this tool in hand, you won't need anything else. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI tool tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.